It's the middle of the summer and concerns continue to grow among health experts about the safety of children. Consultant neurosurgeon Dr. Roger Hunter is cautioning parents to be extra careful now, as children are often likely at risk for injuries so severe they could even die. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell-Pullen reports.
Health report. Like Christmas, summer is one of the happiest times of the year, especially for children who are out of school, playing and having lots of fun. However, having fun is good, but the necessary supervision, especially for younger children, is important to prevent accidents.
Sadly, we have seen patients die, kids die from, in both situations, falling from heights or being hit down by cars. We have seen kids who have not died but been left with lifelong injuries from severe motor vehicle accidents. Certainly here and in London, where I was a consultant, I've seen many significant patients who have been hit down crossing the roads. And this also applies to teenagers, not just young kids.
It's not just injuries from a fall or a motor vehicle crash. Children can hurt themselves by playing with fire or swimming without the proper gear or a lifeguard around. Another fear is that some children are too afraid to report when injuries occur. Dr. Hunter says this can make the injury worse, and as simple as some are, it can be deadly.
So they may well have had an injury earlier in the day. They didn't report it, but it's a significant injury. They may have lost consciousness. It's really important that as a parent you be very extra vigilant around your child, check for bruises, because they may feel fine at the moment of injury, but 6 hours later they can develop what's called an extradural hematoma that can result in them dying if it's missed.
Meanwhile, Dr. Hunter gave this advice to parents and guardians.
Some sensible things would be, for instance, engaging in summer school. Enrolling the children in summer school can help to keep them out of harm's way. Church-oriented facilities also can help to provide activities for kids. Summer camps can also be important. A community raises a child. If you have a strong local community, you could perhaps come together, and then parents perhaps could take turns in terms of supervising the local kids.
With their health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell-Pullen, wishing you good health. Health report.